So we had recently acquired another software company, and with the challenges that we had in digesting and sorting out their technical roadmap along with ours, we were really having a challenge and wanted to accelerate our time to market with our product launches. And so it was very important for us to be able to look towards the strategic partners like Programmers.io to help us be able to work with our adjacent application space. So our core development team focused in on our core applications, and Programmers.io came on to help us with accelerating other product launches as well too. So a few years ago, PSIGEN actually pivoted into being more of a product-centric team. And so the focus there was to partner with a partner like Programmers.io so that they could help us with being able to focus in on specific products and, again, accelerate that time to market. So we engaged them initially to help us with being able to uplift and refactor a few of the adjacent applications that were value add to the core applications that we had. We also then later, after the relationship was formalized, had them bring on subject matter experts in being able to accelerate the Azure CI/CD pipeline, or continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines that we were focused on, really built around being able to do two primary things. The first was to be able to accelerate new customer onboarding and bring that down from hours and days to minutes, and we did that very successfully. And then the second thing was really focused in around being able to migrate a large swath of our customers out to our new cloud in Microsoft Azure. So that was a very successful engagement. So I would say that in general, everything has been going along very well in that regards, and we look to have a continued relationship with them in that capacity. The key benefit I was looking for as a business executive was to be able to accelerate value delivery, meaning I want to get products out to market faster, into my customers' hands faster. And I also want to be able to reduce the risk. There's a typical risk that's associated with outsourcing or partnering with a staff augmentation firm. And largely the company that's doing that is the one that encumbers a lot of the risk. What was really meaningful in this relationship and the way the contract was structured was that Programmers.io was able to help defray a lot of that risk. And so we were able to successfully partner with them towards what we prefer, which is a more outcomes-based focus. Okay. So the second thing really was that they actually had a surprising level of acumen that our team was very happy with. And so they were able to augment us and do additional follow-on research that our team just didn't have time to do at a particular point in time. So those are two of the primary objectives. Again, the other real objective is that we're able to actually now successfully migrate well over 300 customers across from an on-premises co-location service into Microsoft Azure Cloud in minutes and hours, which is a fantastic return on value for the investment that we built. These guys have been a strategic and flexible partner for us. I think that has been a true win for us in that regards. I found them to personally be very approachable, very open, and expert at the craft they deliver. Also, again, the flat rate billing structures that we've engaged in with them have helped us to be able to stay outcomes focused. It's also helped us to really accelerate the product delivery cycle as well too. The other piece that I think has been surprising is that our senior development team, principal engineers, chief engineers, have been actually pleasantly surprised about the level of acumen and the quality of work delivered by them. Given that most of our team have worked with outsourcing and staff aug implementations in the past, there has been a very negative connotation or bias around doing business with companies that are offshore, nearshore, or any mixture thereof. And so it's been a pleasant surprise having our subject matter experts come back and validate that the relationship is actually strong. For us, it's really critical to partner with Programmers.io in a hybrid model. We found that being in the relationship, in the project, deep in the weeds with them, accompanying our domain matter experts along with their subject matter experts on the coding side, really helps us to be able to accelerate the project and time to market.